All right, BMR diff braces here. These are 18s, bolt and nut, and the main back big bolt is this big guy, which is a 22. So the front four, one on each side, front and back of the drivers and front and back of the passenger. I don't even know if you can see that, whatever. Those just slide in there. It says you gotta drop the exhaust. I didn't. I let the diff kind of sit on there and just kind of move it a little bit with a screwdriver, get it up there, but there's tabs, you can't really get it wrong. And then the back one here, that goes up into that big hole. That goes, I guess, into this puck like this. So I gotta push this, where the hell is it, this guy? I gotta push this up there, get it lined up, and then run that bolt in there. All right, I got them all back in there. This was very easy. See the bushings in there. Snug up I'd snug these up first, and then I realigned this guy. Where the hell is it? Whatever. This big bolt here. Torque it in there. Exhaust is still on. I didn't have to drop it for anything. So now we're gonna do the cradle bushings, which go up here for this one. So I got to drop these brackets that way, and then the rear one goes here. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. So I got to drop the whole cradle a little bit to get them in there, because I think they go on the tops and bottoms of each of those. And they have I think they have little aluminum inserts that get pushed into there. That makes it like a hard bearing. All right, I just finished those up. I didn't bother recording. It's all pretty simple. But you got to put the brackets back in there. Put grease on the aluminum inserts there. They're like little bullets, and they push up there. Just tap them in with a hammer, and then yeah, just torque the hell out of everything. But it's up there. Everything's good. There's that one. Everything's torqued. I'm gonna go racing this weekend, and I'm just gonna recheck everything after I put some miles on it. All right, here's the balancer install tool I cut down and put in the diff. The torque spec is like 160 and then 60 degrees, something like that. This thing makes a ton of noise, this aluminum bushing. That is what's so freaking loud after you install these BMR bushings, is this one, and then these 2 front ones on the front of the diff. That is all the creaking and popping that the noises that this makes. But yeah, there it is. I'm gonna mark it with my paint markers. Same with the axles. I put those all in. I gotta remark all those.